Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by powering the Homepod and placing your iPhone close. This triggers the setup card automatically. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled because the speaker uses your network and device radios to pair. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID for seamless handoff and personal requests. Tap the setup card, follow prompts to select a room, and agree to settings. This gets you past the initial handshake fast, so the Home app can finish the configuration. Once the HomePod appears in the Home app, you'll assign it to a room and enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders read aloud. This ties into your Apple ID for privacy controls. Make sure Siri language and voice match your preference so commands work predictably. Then enable handoff in iPhone settings so audio transfers smoothly when you bring your phone near. To play audio, use the AirPlay icon in Control Center or Apps. Selecting HomePod routes, sound directly over Wi-Fi for best quality. You finish by testing basic commands. Ask Siri to play a track, set a timer, or check the weather to confirm full functionality. If audio doesn't play, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and that AirPlay appears in Control Center, different bands too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz can sometimes block discovery. If the HomePod is unresponsive, remove it from the Home app, unplug for 10 seconds, then plug back in and retry setup. This reset resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.